Welcome to Personal Finance Power, where smart money moves beat flashy spending. Want to reach your financial goals faster? Sometimes, the smartest play is looking broke on purpose. In this video, we'll explore how embracing a low-key lifestyle can help you stack wealth quietly and effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more unconventional tips that actually work. 1. It lowers social pressure to spend. When you appear modest or low-key, you're not expected to keep up with luxury trends. That means fewer invites to expensive dinners, pressure to buy new gadgets, or join high-cost events. This reduced social pressure gives you freedom to make financial choices based on goals, not image. You won't feel the need to impress anyone with designer clothes or cars. 2. It helps you avoid lifestyle inflation. Many people spend more as they earn more. It's called lifestyle creep. But looking poor lets you bypass this trap. Instead of buying a new car when you get a raise, you keep driving the old one. Instead of moving to a fancier apartment, you stay where it's affordable. Your bank account grows while your lifestyle stays simple. 3. It makes you a better saver by default. If you're not constantly buying flashy items, you're naturally saving more. Not spending on $200 sneakers or $1,000 phones leaves you with surplus income. That money can be put into savings, emergency funds, or investment accounts. Over months and years, it adds up. People underestimate how small savings habits become large wins. 4. You avoid debt traps that kill wealth. Many people go into debt trying to look rich. Credit cards, loans for luxury, car payments. Looking poor avoids this entirely. You drive what you can afford, live where it makes sense, and avoid overspending. That means no high-interest credit card balances or car loans that eat up your paycheck. Debt is a wealth killer. 5. You gain peace of mind and focus. Looking rich can be exhausting. Keeping up appearances is mentally draining. You're constantly watching your image, comparing yourself, and spending emotionally. Looking poor frees you from that cycle. Your peace of mind improves when you stop caring what others think. That clarity helps you focus on real financial goals: saving, investing, building. 6. It makes you appear underrated. A strategic advantage. There's quiet power in being underestimated. People who look poor are often ignored or assumed to be average. That's exactly when you're making moves behind the scenes: saving, investing, building multiple income streams. When you eventually reveal your financial success, it surprises people. You can negotiate better, avoid leeches, and operate freely without attracting unwanted attention. 7. It builds long-term financial habits. Looking poor means living below your means, and that trains you in habits that last a lifetime. You learn to budget, cut unnecessary spending, and find value instead of status. These habits build the financial muscle to reach serious wealth. Even if you eventually earn a six-figure income, you won't blow it because you've trained yourself. 8. You invest more, and sooner. If you're not busy upgrading your phone, clothes, or lifestyle, you have more capital to invest. Instead of showing off wealth, you grow it slowly, steadily, and early. Looking poor redirects that money into assets, not liabilities. While others buy status symbols, you're buying stocks, exchange-traded funds, or even rental property. 9. It keeps you grounded and grateful. When you strip away flashy distractions, you start appreciating simple wins. You feel thankful for food on the table, a roof overhead, and savings in the bank. Gratitude reduces the urge to compete or overspend. It keeps you centered when others chase temporary highs. This mindset protects your finances during good and bad times. Staying humble, even when you can afford more, gives you perspective, and that's a secret weapon in wealth building. 10. It helps you retire sooner than everyone else. By looking poor and living below your means, you can achieve financial independence faster than those who spend to look rich. Your savings rate is higher, your investments grow faster, and your lifestyle is flexible. That means you don't need millions to retire. You just need smart planning and consistency. While others are still grinding at 60, you could be free at 40. Looking poor now can buy you freedom later. And that trade is worth every modest outfit and basic car you drove to get there. Looking poor isn't about deprivation, it's about discipline and focus. Which of these stealth wealth strategies spoke to you most? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped shift your mindset, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical, no-fluff advice on saving, growing, and protecting your money. Stay humble, stay hungry, and keep building.